Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I will show you how to create a calendar or a design like this. So as you can see here, I just replicate this section in my bubble.io app as per the requirement of the client. Not exactly same, but hopefully almost same. We have done that in our app. As you can see here, if we have like click on month, you can see month wise. So as you can see, like it's a running month, and if I click on this I can see how many products are still there, and every color shows something related to this part, like no past date, delivery dates, and collection type. Then collection completion date shows like this, and deliveries show like this one, and delivery collection date are showing like this one. As you can see, like Saturday and Sundays are green. Then if I click on next month, it will show you like this month view. If I click on running month, it will show you like this, like current day is 30th. So it will show you like this. So how we build it in bubble.io, I will show you. Let's go to the bubble editor. As you can see, we are on the design and we are using list of date plugin. Then start date look like this. I have a set state called job date, and I'm minusing 7 days as per the requirements, and I'm showing number of dates like 31. You can change according to your requirements. I'm hiding this one for now for better understanding. Let's go step by step. First I have to create this one, so I have a header, then inside of this header I placed a repeating group here, and this one. So I'm fetching data from list of dates plugin. After that, I have another repeating group. Now I have this repeating group. You can see this is a link to the search for jobs, like job section, and I'm showing uh, jobs according to delivery dates. And inside this, I have two more repeating groups. First of all, after that, I have this repeating group main, and this repeating group linked to the jobs, and I'm showing jobs according to delivery dates, like greater than, less than, on the monthly basis. Inside of this repeating group, I have another repeating group. Here I'm showing list of dates, and inside of this repeating group, I have a group date. I have so many conditions based on the requirement. Like if there is no job in previous dates, so it will show like yellow, like this. Let's jump on the next repeating group. I have this one, and inside of this repeating group, I have two more repeating groups, like this one, which is linked to the dates, and this one, which is linked to the products group date. And inside of this repeating group as well, I have group and a shape. So this is the final repeating group inside of this repeating group, and I have almost 6 to 7 repeating group in this section. and here is the final result. As you can see here, if I click on this, so I can show the product description and the site location as well. If I click on this, so you can see the current month as well and the current date. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.